Hi everyone, today we'll be unboxing BeatXP Stream Prime Hammer Massager. So I got this from Amazon. Here is the MRP of this one is 2899, but I got this from Amazon in 999 in the Great Indian Festival sale. Here are some main specifications and product features, and these are the specifications. This one got the 12-month warranty as stated here, but we can extend this. I'll show you how. And let's open this. So this is the package, and here is the instruction manual, and the warranty card is available in this case. So here is the instruction manual. There are few stickers. Here is the warranty card. Here it says we will get 12.6 warranty if we register the product. We'll keep this aside. So there are four massage heads are available. One is attached into the massager, that is a ball point. This one is for the acupressure massage. This one is for joints and deep relief. Third one is multi-head. So there are three heads. This is for much deeper relief in the combination of ball point and acupressure. Let's go to the main unit itself. Here is the main unit. And as per the manual, it is written that this is infrared light for infrared light heating. Here is the fourth attachment, which is available directly with the machine. We can easily twist and open this one and attach the new one. I'll attach this one. Okay, here are two settings for high and low. So if we go up, it will be high. For the low and center will be off. Okay, I'll connect this one and I'll show how this works. So I have attached the cable, and I will run first on the high setting, then I'll run on the low setting. So this is how it is vibrating. For the reference, I touch on my hand and you can see the vibration. This is off and this is going on the low setting. These are the infrared lights which we are talking about. So far quality looks good, and service is also good as mentioned on the Amazon. We'll use and upload the detailed if it is required. Thank you for this one, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this one. Thank you.